Hello guys, good morning to all. Hope you all are doing well and welcome back to the channel About Jobs. Thanks a lot for your support. So today in this video, I am gonna sharing about the requirements from Dubai. It's a latest job openings. So I already told you in the previous videos. Now there is a huge chances to get a job in Dubai. So if you have a dream to move abroad, I hope Dubai is the best location to build your careers. So let's focus for the job openings. If any of these jobs you will be suitable for you and you are belonging that professionals, you are belonging that experience, you can apply by sending your updated CV. Once you sending your CV, you will have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from interview, of course you will get the work permit from Dubai and you can move to Dubai with your jobs. So let's start this job. Finance intern required in Dubai. This is a internship for finance. Hiring finance intern, we are looking to hire a finance intern in Dubai. Good communication skills, will be communicating with the team in different locations. Become graduates with a proper understanding of basic accounting and Excel. Duration 3 to 6 months. We need people who can commit for 6 months. As this is a temporary role, we won't be providing employment visa. The person should have a validity UAE residence. So please keep in mind this is very important information. You should have a become graduates to apply for these jobs. As you can see here, finance intern. And please keep in mind the employer or the company, they want you should have a residence permit in UAE. Of course, they will provide you the work permit. As you can see here, we will be providing a temporary work permit, but you should have a residence permit in UAE. This is the very important. That means the candidates who are already available in Dubai, they only can be applied. So let's focus the next job. So this job is suitable for them who are already in Dubai. If you're interested, please send your updated CV to the given email ID and you can directly contact to the office by asking their address. And if you want to build a career in Dubai with a good salary, I hope this is a good chance. So let's focus on the next one. Assistant HR record in Dubai. Hiring for one of our clients at a well-known multinational company in management consulting in Dubai. Designations Assistant HR, location Dubai role. The requirements is for an assistant HR. The position is based in Dubai and may involve travel across geographies. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as an assistant HR, please send your updated CV. And before you send your CV, please focus what is the responsibilities. Coordinating and supporting HR team with regard to various HR functions, coordinating with different requirements, consultants for requirements across the region, ensuring proper filling, managing attendance and leave records, dealing with insurance companies for medical insurance requirements, addressing various requests from associates like classifications, NOC, and all different kind of letters, coordinating and effectively communicating with multiple stakeholders within and outside the organizations, ensuring timely reporting and updates to management, any other task as may be communicated from time to time. So this is the job responsibilities to work as an assistant HR, and you should keep in mind what is the requirements. This is very important. You should have a postgraduate with specializations in HR, 2 to 3 years of relevant experience in a MNC company. Please keep in mind, if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you should have a graduate in HR specializations and you should have 2 to 3 years experience in the relevant field in a MNC company. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, then only can apply by sending your updated CV. So let's go to the next job, hiring recruitment consultant for a recruitment company in Dubai. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, hiring a recruitment consultant for a recruitment company, experience in recruitment NO and IT is mandatory. Currently, a prior experience in a recruitment company in Dubai, minimum experience required 1 year. So you should have the qualifications and experience to work as a hiring recruitment consultant in Dubai. If you are interested to apply, please send your updated CV to the given email ID. Next job, multiple vacancies in oil and gas project. If you are belonging oil and gas project professionals, if you have the experience in oil and gas, please send your CV. And before you send your CV, please focus what is the information. Company details, a reputed group for their oil and gas projects, civil foreman, electrical instrumentation firm, elevator technician, HVAC technician, mechanical technician, electrical. So this is all about the jobs openings from oil and gas project in Dubai. If you are interested to apply any of these jobs, please send your updated CV to the given email ID. This is the office in Delhi. This is the numbers. Of course, you can directly visit to the office and you can contact by the numbers. And if you are interested to apply any of these jobs, you can apply by your sending your CV. Next of KG teachers. If you are belonging to teacher professionals, please focus. Company details, they mention GEMS educations. The company name, job descriptions, bachelor's degree, arts science, bachelor's degree in education mandatory. A minimum of 2 years of school teaching experience, excellent English communication skills, distance learning and open university will not be accepted. Please keep in mind, distance course they never accept. You should have a regular degree. In minimum of education need to be mandatory in education specializations. If you are interested, please send your CV to the given email ID. Next up, female accountant. We are looking to hire a female accountant for one of our client based in Dubai. Gender female. Salary will be 5,000 dirham plus UAE benefits. Day-to-day duties: manage accounts payable and receivable. So, if you are a female and if you are interested to move to Dubai with your jobs with a accounting professionals, you should have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned here. Then only can apply by sending your CV to the given email ID. So friends, today in this video I already shared you a latest job openings, recent vacancies from Dubai. If you are interested to apply for any of these jobs, please keep in mind all information available in the descriptions. Please go to the descriptions of this video and read it carefully. Which job is suitable for you? On that job, you can apply by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. So once again, I would like to tell you, please share this information to your friends and relatives. And if you are interested to apply, apply as soon as possible by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. I already told you in the video, if you will apply for these jobs, of course you will get a notifications for interview once your CV will be shortlisted. If your CV will be shortlisted, you will attend the interview, then you can proceed forward to get these jobs. So I hope this information will be valuable for your careers and for your friends, for your relatives. That's why I'm telling you, please share this information as much as possible for your friends and relatives. So friends, finally, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, I'll come with a latest job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.